The best part is you can do affiliate marketing settings from here. You can hire TikToker through this option for affiliate your product. You will hire the TikToker who have many followers, and if they make a video, simple video for you, you will get huge sales, and TikToker will make money through affiliate marketing. Hi viewers, vaishipon here. In this tutorial I am giving guideline for TikTok Shop Seller Central account. I am giving an idea for full TikTok Shop Seller Central account. With this TikTok Shop you can sell your product, even you can do drop shipping. First time you have to search on Google TikTok Seller Center and you will get this link, TikTok Shop Seller Center. If I open this one, I think you know about Amazon Seller Center. Maybe you are selling products through Amazon Seller Center account, but you can sell your product through TikTok Shop Seller Central better way. So let me introduce with you a TikTok Shop Seller Center. When you will get this interface, you will get these three options. Asia seller. If you are from Asian region, you have to sign up with these countries. Global selling seller, Indonesia seller, Malaysia seller, Thailand seller, Vietnam seller, Philippines seller, Singapore seller, and TikTok is increasing countries day by day. If you are from Europe, you have to select this one, Europe seller, United Kingdom seller. If you are from United Kingdom, then you have to sign up with this option, United Kingdom seller, North America seller. If you are for USA, then you have to select this one, United States sellers, and you have to click on enter, and you have to give your all information, all documents, all business documents. You have to verify your account, and when you verified your account, you will get this interface, TikTok Shop Seller Central dashboard. This is the home page. Verify required. When you add your first product, you have to submit some documents for your business, then all these three options will be verified. Before that, you have to do some basic settings. Set up where your products will be shipped. You have to set up here where you want to ship your product. Choose the shipping service. Just you have to click here and you have to set up this procedure. Add products. Choose one of the following ways to add products. Upload product directly to TikTok Shop. You can upload your product directly from here to TikTok Shop. You can sync products from other platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce. Suppose you have a Shopify store or you have a WooCommerce store, you can sync product with this option. You can link an official TikTok account with this option, link now. And next option is products. Here is manage products. This is a new account. From here you can add your product, add new product, or you can add your product from here and you will get all details here. How many products you have on TikTok Seller Shop, active products, inactive products, suspended products, draft and deleted. All information you will get here. Product bundles. With this option you can create product bundle, product optimizer. You can optimize your products with this option, product optimizer. Add new product. Before adding new product, you have to do these settings. Please add a pickup and return address before releasing the new products. You have to add a pickup address and you have to add a return address before releasing the new products. Product rating. You can see your product rating from here. Your shop last 7 days, last 30 days. You can see all statistics from here. Manage stock. You can see here your stock dashboard, and you can see here stock alert. Orders. Manage orders. You can manage your orders from here. Manage cancellation. You can manage your cancel order from here. Manage returns. If you have any returns, you will get it here, and you can manage your returns from here. Order fulfillment settings. You can do order fulfillment settings from here. Shipping, batch shipping. From here you can do shipping settings. Promotions, campaigns. From campaigns you can do product shop campaigns. You can register your products or shop for TikTok's official campaigns to increase traffic and drive sales. With this option you can do campaigns. Even you can do live stream, short video campaigns. Promotional tools. From this option you will get this interface, a product discount, set daily discount to generate interest and boost sales. You can set daily discount to boost your sales. From here, flash deal, offer limited time deals to incentive swift purchase, sell excess inventory or attract new buyers. And here is another option, buy more, save more. Offer product combination deals with tiered discounts to increase spending per order. A voucher, encourage buyers to increase their total order value and boost overall sales. Bundle deal, group related products so customer can purchase them together. Gift with purchase, offer free gifts or incentivize buyers to purchase more items in a single order. You can do these settings from here. Shipping fee discounts, offer shipping incentives to increase conversions and lower cart abandonment rates. You can do these settings from here. And next option is live and video. Finance, and next one is finance. You can see here financial statements from here, payments, invoice center. You can do all settings from here. App and service store, connector apps, application to connect your existing e-commerce store. You can use this application with your e-commerce store from here, like Aftership Feed, Good Commerce Shopify connector, e-booster, Good Commerce Big Commerce connector, this one Products Hub, Channel Engine, Aftership Shipping, Parcel to Go. You can use all these apps for your existing e-commerce store. Next option is My Apps and Services, ads. You can do ad settings for your TikTok shop from this option. And here you will get data compass, data overview, live stream analytics, video analytics, creator analytics, product analytics, service analytics, logistics performance, promotion analytics, market analytics, user analytics, negative review performance. You can search for all analytics from here. And next option is growth center, my account, account health and health center. And the best part is you can do affiliate marketing settings from here. You can hire TikToker through this option for affiliate your product. You will hire the TikToker who have many followers, and if they make a video, simple video for you, you will get huge sales, and TikToker will make money through affiliate marketing. I think you understand the full procedure. Suppose your product price is $100. You are giving $30 commission to a TikToker, and from TikToker video you are getting 1,000 sales. I think now you are clear with the whole procedure. I will give you all the tutorials for TikTok Seller Center. You will get tutorials in this channel, Online Business 7, and if you go to description for any video, you will get my Upwork profile link, and you can hire me for any Seller Center support like Amazon Seller Center, TikTok Seller Center. Finally, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like and share it with your friends. Thank you.